Ithimba labameli bakaGetsemane lithi incwadi yamaphoyisa egunyaza ukuboshwa kwekhasimende labo inamaphutha ngoba ihlobene nodaba oluvele seliphothuliwe. Amaphoyisa ayefuna ukubopha uGetsemane nabanye abayi-12 ayesolwa nabo emacaleni asuselwa kulwezi wango-2023 okubalwa kuwo ukungena endaweni ngaphandle kwemvume, ukuphoqa abantu ukuba bakhokhe imali yokuvikeleka, ukukhwabanisa kanye nokuhlukumeza. Lamacala alethwe ngaphambili ngamaphoyisa. Abashushisi banqaba ukuwafaka ohlwini lamacala ayezoshushiswa enkantolo nokwaholela ekutheni abasolwa badedelwe.
The applicants are alleging before court that the manner in which this J50 was issued seem not to have followed the legal prescripts. They are alleging that there's not even an affidavit, and if that is the case, it means the judicial officer we have authorized the warrant was not privy of the information and the history of the matter which justify the fact that a J50 be authorized.
Abameli bathi incwadi egunyazwa ukuboshwa kwabamangalelwa kwakumele kube isinyathelo sokugcina. Ungoti wezomthetho uthi amaphoyisa kumele achaze ngale ncwadi.
What they also need to answer is what justify this mode of arrest other than issuing summons which is available to the police in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Ithimba labameli bakaGetsemane obengekho enkantolo lizwakalisa ukukhathazeka malungana nokuhlehliswa kwecala, lithi ikhasimende lalo nabanye elisolwa nabo lifuna lolu daba liphothulwe.